Welcome to Look Ahead with Anna. We're all attending fewer events these days based on it being too expensive to travel, or like me, you're trying to reduce your carbon footprint. But that doesn't help when you have FOMO in an industry like ours. How do you beat that? I've got a tip for you. Over the Christmas break, I found a whole bunch of recordings from the first sustainable event live in London that took place last year. And I can openly admit, I binged all 8 of the 45-minute sessions. I learned a ton. I felt like I'd been there. And then I also hopped online and made sure I connected with panelists and speakers on LinkedIn. It was brilliant. It's also made sure that I'm going to put this one on my list for next year. So here's the trick. If you can't go to an event physically, start following them on social media. Start seeing who is attending that might be in your network, and then reach out to them. Flatter them as an influencer and say, can you please post your takeaways from that event? I can't go and I really want to know what caught your eye. So those are my tips for beating FOMO and making sure that you can keep up in this fast-paced industry. Take care. Bye-bye.